Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain what weapons does Israel have explained. Follow along and I'll break down major categories and capabilities clearly. Israel fields a layered defense with aircraft, missiles, drones, armored vehicles, and naval vessels working together. I will outline air power, ground systems, sea assets, and strategic weapons in plain terms. Expect concise comparisons, typical roles, and how these systems fit into a modern defense posture for quick understanding. Israel's air power centers on multi-role fighters, drones, and advanced missile defenses working as a cohesive system. Fighters perform air superiority and precision strike missions, while drones provide persistent surveillance and targeted engagement. Integrated air defense batteries detect, track, and intercept incoming threats to protect critical infrastructure and civilians. I'll explain how these layers complement each other and why mobility, situational awareness, and rapid response matter in modern aerial operations. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support clear explainers and updates. Quick recommendation: on another note, consider these leak-proof containers shown earlier for practical everyday use and easy meals when you are busy studying defense tech. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Ground forces combine tanks, infantry fighting vehicles, artillery, and command systems for versatile operations across varied terrain. Missile systems range from short-range tactical rockets to theater-level strike missiles, providing both precision and area effects. Mobile launchers and coastal batteries enhance deterrence by complicating adversary planning. I'll discuss how mobility, precision guidance, and integrated targeting make these systems effective, and how logistics and training sustain combat readiness in evolving scenarios.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.